Alright guys, bonjour. I have my vocab sheet here. I printed it out. And if you do not know where yours is located in Google Classroom still, please email me or message me and I will help you find that. Without it, you will not know what to do. And there are two sides of your vocab sheet that you need both sides. So this lesson is going to be just to make sure that we're all on the same page, because as I'm getting work handed into me, it is very clear that we are not all on the same page. So this is going to be a very quick video on how to figure out how to make these sentences. So we are obviously going to form a proper sentence. The first thing you need to know about your sports is whether you are going to play them or whether you're doing them. Okay, so rule of thumb, if you're saying in English that you're going to play it, you're going to play it in French too. My verb to play en français is jouer, and to do is faire. Difference between these two verbs, this is a regular ER verb. If you're looking on page 1 of your flip chart, this is an ER. I've had people conjugate it with an IR or even an RE. You should know your endings already for an ER verb, but if you don't, please use page 1, and if you don't know where your flip chart is posted, please let me know as well. This one, I expect you to know this one, okay, and how to do it. This one is irregular, and this one is located and conjugated for you already on page 15, okay? So if you have your flip chart, even that page printed out, page 1 and page 15, the pages that they're located on, if you have those printed out and you have those to the side, that would be really, really simple for you to figure out. All right, so let's review. How do I know if I'm playing it? If I use a ball, if there is a winner, and if there are teams. If I'm doing it, it is an activity. No winner. I could do it alone. Okay, so we have those figured out. This is step 1. Once I figure out which ones I'm doing and which ones I'm playing. So if you look on your vocab sheet, you guys have this exact same one. You're going to see a lot of the playing sports are near the top. Okay. Then we have ones that we're doing. We also have these 3 at the bottom. Okay. And everything is labeled. The ones that don't look really like the activity, I let you know. And yes, we have 3 types of skiing on here. Okay. So in the last lesson, we went over this. So if you didn't see it, lesson 1 posted. So our first step was to figure out jouer or faire. And the other big thing that I want you to figure out is that we need to replace all the le, la, les, or L apostrophe. Okay, so errors. What we're not going to do is je joue le soccer. I play the soccer. This is incorrect. Okay, so we're going to figure out how to do this correctly. We're going to replace all of those words. You see on your vocab sheet, each sport has 2 words. We're going to replace the first one. So we're going to make a little bit of a chart here. We have our a. We have our de. Okay. In my first lesson, I told you that jouer is always going to go with a. Faire is always going to be with de. So we're going to fill this in. A plus le, o, a la. Okay. So these are all for playing sports. Jouer, I'm going to take off these and I'm going to replace them with this column, okay? So before I go over this, so right now, let's erase that so that we're following along. I miss my chalkboard. All right. So again, we're replacing all of these beginning words, and I want to do I play soccer. So we're going to chunk our answer, okay? We should know this part for now. Je. Take off the ER. I look on my page 1 and I know that it is an E. So I'm going to find soccer. Soccer's right here. Soccer starts with L. It is L soccer. Okay, but I got to replace this. Okay, so I'm going to look on the back side of the Word document part of the vocab sheet. And I say jouer à le. I'm going to use AU. And then I'm just going to write the sport name. Oh, soccer. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Now, we have the other side to do, and that's de. And these are for the activity sports. We have du, de la, de, and de l'apostrophe. Okay? So if I'm going to do an example right now, let's do we skate. Okay. Now, if you remember from lesson number 1, I said that in French we don't, sorry, in English, we don't say we do skating, we just say we skate. So this we, it is understood that there are two parts, the we and the do part, okay? So if we bring it down here, nous, I need to find the French form of doing with nous, which is faisons. Now let's find skating. Skating is over here. Skating is le patinage. Okay, so I need to replace that. I'm going to look over here. This is what I need. Du patinage. Okay, so the thing you have to remember for this part jouer. And again, this would be super easy if you had your vocab sheets beside you to follow. But we're going to do a couple samples here. Let's work with jouer first. Okay. So we're going to chunk our answers. Football starts with le. Sorry, I'm just going to make all right. So football, remember I'm playing. Okay, So football starts with le. I'm playing au football. Correct. Let's give another one a try. I play basketball. So again, we're going to chunk it. Okay. Basketball. Basketball starts with le. And I'm playing it. Again, we're just focusing on jouer. A plus le is o. Okay, you're going to notice 4 parts to every sentence. 1, 2, 3, and the sport 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, sport 4. Okay, let's quickly move on to do a couple of fair. Okay, so remember, we do not in English say they do hiking. That is incorrect, so please don't do that. In this, I know that this means 2 parts. The eels and the form of fair. Okay, because I have to have 4 parts at the end. So I know it's eels, font. Let's find hiking. Hiking's right here. It's L apostrophe, if you can see it. I'm now working with de because I'm doing it. De L apostrophe. Okay, and to verify, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Okay, let's do another one. You plural swim. Remember, this first word includes 2 parts. 2 parts. So, vous faites swimming. La natation. De plus la, de la. To verify, 1, 2, 3, 4. Errors. The most common one I see so far. No. Do not forget to find this chart either on page 15 or on the back of your vocab sheet. Okay, that's very important. You're replacing the le, la, lay. Okay, so that's wrong. Obviously, I know there's going to be O soccer. Another error that I see when you have to put things into English. She does the skating. Now, this is getting into Alienville. Remember when we were talking about clothing? We don't talk like that in English. She does the skating. What is a better way to say that? She skates. Okay. The worst one. No. Why? Why do you need it? I have people handing in right now. So if it was je fais de la pêche. If you know your vocab sheet, you know that that means what? I fish. I think you can figure out what people are handing in. What's pêche mean also? No. That's not what you're doing. You're fishing. All right, so a reminder. I like to summarize. Jouer goes with a. Faire goes with de. And again, you're going to conjugate this. And you're also going to conjugate or change this. There's so many different forms. You're never going to use the a and de. You're going to use the forms that are right here. So there's step number 1 that I want you to remember. Step number 2, I want you to remember. Step number 3, in English, if I could spell English, we don't do the sport, so we're not doing skating, okay? We're just skating. And part number 4, there are 4 parts to your sentences. Okay? So now that you know, or you can visually see me doing it, you should realize that this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, if you have any questions, please ask me. I'm also trying to figure out why I'm only having 12 and 13 people finishing their assignments. It should be everybody. A reminder, grade 7s, you guys are going to be going into grade 8 with me next year. So please keep up on stuff. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Au revoir, everybody.